It's below zero, pitch black. And somewhere in South Dakota, crews are fixing a bomber so powerful it can hit 48 targets in a single run. What if I told you this same aircraft can fly 34 hours non-stop, cross continents, dodge radar, and still deliver devastating precision strikes? Yeah, this isn't science fiction. This is the Rockwell B-1B Lancer Aka the Bone. Stick with me, because today we're breaking down how this Cold War relic became America's ultimate conventional strike machine, and why it still dominates modern warfare in 2026. Picture this: freezing winds ripping across Ellsworth Air Force Base. Maintainers from the 28th Bomb Wing are out here, bare hands, frost forming on their tools. Why? Because global tensions spike. This machine FLIs. Fast forward to March 2026 during Operation Epic Fury. While stealth fighters like the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II kicked down the door, the B-1B, it brought the hammer. We're talking 1,000 plus targets hit in a single day. Massive, sustained strikes. No breaks. These bombers didn't launch from overseas bases. Nope. They flew straight out of the US, what pilots call a CONUS to combat mission. That's a 34-hour round trip. Non-stop. Let that sink in. You're sitting in an ejection seat for over a day, crossing oceans, carrying nearly 500,000 pounds of aircraft and weapons. Yeah, that's next-level endurance. So how does this beast even get off the ground? Meet the engines: 4 General Electric F101 G102 turbofans, each one pushing over 30,000 pounds of thrust. Combined, that's 120,000 pounds of pure force. That's not just power, that's controlled explosion physics. Thrust-to-weight ratio equals total thrust divided by aircraft weight. Empty? The B-1B moves like a heavyweight fighter. Fully loaded, it becomes a precision-dependent giant. Every inch of runway, every bit of lift, matters. This is applied physics at its limit. Inside those engines, temperatures reach 2,550 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than most metals can survive. Yet somehow, these engines keep running for hours. Now here's where it gets wild. The B-1B doesn't just fly, it transforms mid-air. Its wings sweep from 15 degrees to 67.5 degrees, forward for max lift at takeoff, swept back for supersonic speed. It's like switching from a cargo plane to a Mach 1.25 missile. But the real party trick? Flying low, like hundreds of feet above ground, at near supersonic speeds. To survive that, engineers built the structural mode control system. It actively cancels turbulence in real time. Basically, your car suspension but on steroids. A 34-hour mission needs fuel. Enter KC-135 Stratotanker and KC-46 Pegasus. These tankers create a flying gas station network across the globe. Fuel transfer rate: 1,200 gallons per minute, all while flying in tight formation. One mistake, and it's game over. The B-1B carries up to 75,000 pounds internally. That's more than the legendary B-52. Inside, a rotating launcher system, basically a giant revolver. Its weapon of choice? The AG-M158 JASSM. Range: 600 plus miles. Stealthy, precision guided, and the B-1B can carry 24 of them. 1 bomber equals 24 targets. 2 bombers equals 48 targets in a single pass. That's not just power, that's strategic dominance. Targets aren't guessed, they're calculated. Data comes from satellites, command centers, and real-time networks. This is network-centric warfare, built in the 70s. Cancelled, revived, modified. The B-1B has outlived critics for decades. It evolved from a nuclear bomber to global strike platform. None of this works without the people, the maintainers, the engineers, the crews, standing in freezing conditions, making sure this machine FLIs. So next time you see the silhouette of the B-1B cutting through the sky, remember, it's not just an aircraft. It's a fusion of science, engineering, and human grit. Hit that subscribe button for more deep dives on military tech and aviation. The Rockwell B-1B Lancer. Fear the bone. And now you know.